All right, everybody, we've been talking about animals and habitat, and this animal right here should look familiar because it was on our board in class for a while. Remember what it is? Yes, it's an ocelot. And you probably remember that it's a small cat, and many people try to have it as pets, but they wind up being disappointed. Do you remember why? Right, because it winds up getting to be very dangerous. It just can't be controlled as a pet. So it's okay when it's young, but when it gets older, it's almost impossible to keep. So the ocelot reminds me of another cat that we're going to be learning about today called the black-footed cat. So let's listen to this issue of the Scholastic News being read, and then there will be a worksheet to follow it. And tomorrow, you'll get to see a pretty cool video. Here we go.
This is the world's most dangerous cat. It may look cute, but this black-footed cat is a fierce hunter. It is great at catching animals to eat, but it needs our help. Cute, but deadly. The black-footed cat is a great hunter, but it's in danger. Scientists want to help before it's too late. As you read, think about how scientists are trying to help the black-footed cat. It's midnight and a fierce predator is hunting for food. It slowly creeps through the dry grass. It flattens its body against the sand. It's perfectly still. Then it lets out its spine-tingling cry. Meow! Cute little kitty. Meet the black-footed cat. It's fuzzy and cute. It's smaller than a house cat, and it's the deadliest wildcat in the world. When you think of fierce cats, you probably think of huge animals like lions and tigers. You probably don't think of a tiny one that looks like a fuzzy stuffed animal. But the black-footed cat is an amazing hunter. It catches mice, lizards, and spiders. It snatches birds out of the air. In fact, it's better at hunting than any other wildcat in the world. So what's the problem? Cats in danger. Not many black-footed cats are left in the wild. Scientists are worried that they will become endangered. That means in danger of dying out completely. The biggest problem is that people are destroying the cat's habitat to put up new buildings. This kills the mice, birds, and insects that live there. When that happens, not much food is left for the cats to eat. Another problem is hunting. People don't hunt black-footed cats, but they hunt other animals that live in the area. Sometimes they kill black-footed cats by mistake. Scientists are helping. Scientists are working hard to protect these cats. The scientists put tracking collars on them. The collars send messages that tell the scientists where the cats go. The scientists can make sure the cats are safe. Scientists also trap some cats and take them to zoos. They help the black-footed cats have kittens. When the kittens are old enough, the scientists will bring them back to the wild. They hope that these cats will have more kittens and the number of black-footed cats will start growing again. People have created problems for black-footed cats, but people can solve those problems too. Watch out, mice and birds! Black-footed cats are coming back. By Blair Rainsford. Where's that cat? Black-footed cats are hard for scientists to find. Why? They come out at night. They hide from people. They are tiny. Scientists are so happy when they find a black-footed cat and put a tracking collar on it. That lets the scientists help keep the cat safe. The cat stays low to the ground. Then it jumps. Gotcha, bird! A scientist puts a tracking collar on a black-footed cat.
Okay, so here's the backside of the Scholastic News. It says at the top, cats of all sizes. This graph shows how big different kinds of wild cats are. Now, this is really convenient because we are going to be doing some measurement in math very soon. And if we look at this graph, it says here length in feet. And the other label is the kind of wildcat. So if we look at, just so we can get used to looking at this, if we look at the black-footed wildcat, which is right here at the top, this is 1 foot, and it looks like it's 1.5 feet. 1.5 feet would be, imagine you're sitting at your desk. It would be from the part where your belly touches the desk to where your name card is, the sticker with your name on it. That's about 1.5 feet. So this cat's pretty small. You can see the lion all the way down at the bottom. But did you know that it's actually not the biggest cat? Tigers can be much longer than lions. Interesting. All right, so I'm going to read these questions and answers. Okay, I'm going to help you with this one. And then after this, there's another worksheet which you can print out if you have a printer, or you can just write the answers on a piece of paper. It's no problem, whatever works for you. So, number 1, which wildcat on the chart is the smallest? Okay, I think you can figure that one out. Number 2, how long is the lion? Well, let's see, the lion's all the way down here at the bottom. And this lion looks like it's 7 feet long. Okay, number 3. Which wildcat on the chart is 4 feet long? Let's go, I'm going to look at the top. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. Oh, okay. So the snow leopard is 4 feet long. I love that we're getting to do some math, even though it's science time. Number 4, which wildcat on the chart is 1 foot longer than the snow leopard? Well, we know that the snow leopard is 4 feet, and if we just add 1 more foot, we'll be at 5. And which one is 5 feet long? The cheetah, right. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the other part that we have here. And tomorrow you'll get to watch a pretty cool video. Okay, let me erase the pen mark here, the pen marks. Okay, here we go. All right, so there are 5 questions here. You can write the answers down on a piece of paper. We'll go over them eventually, okay, when we go over some other science answers as well. Number 1, what is this article mostly about? A, different kinds of cats. B, the black-footed cat and why it's endangered. C, how scientists use tracking collars to keep cats safe. If you need to pause and go back and look at the article, you can. Number 2, an animal that hunts other animals for food is called is it A, habitat, B, scientist, or C, predator? Number 3. What happens when people destroy the cat's habitat? A. The mice, birds, and insects that the cats eat are killed. B. More animals come to live in the habitat. C. The habitat becomes safer for the cats to live in. Number 4. Read the caption at the top of page 2. What does the cat do right before it jumps? A. It arches its back. B. It stays low to the ground. C. It runs really fast. And number 5. What is one way that people are helping the black-footed cats? A. They help them have kittens at zoos, then they bring the kittens to the wild. B. They destroy their habitat. C. They help them catch birds and mice. All right, you have time to try and answer these. I will release the answers probably tomorrow. And like I said, you'll get a great video with it as well. And that's all the work you have for today. So I hope you had a great day, and I hope you enjoy your free time now that the school day is done. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.